In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Todoist to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Todoist extension installed, visible in your toolbar, and ready to capture tasks from any web page in just a couple of clicks. Let's start with the simplest approach, which is using the Chrome Web Store. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search box to look for Todoist. In the results, find the official Todoist extension and click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome may briefly show a download and then a confirmation message. As soon as it's done, you'll notice the Todoist icon appear in the top right corner of Chrome. That means it's installed and ready. If you prefer getting it straight from the source, you can also install it from the Todoist website. Head to the Todoist Downloads page, choose the Chrome extension, then click Add to Chrome. You'll see the same confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it to complete the installation. Both methods install the exact same extension, so feel free to use whichever is more convenient for you. Once the extension is installed, click the Todoist icon in your toolbar to open it. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. After that, you can start adding tasks directly from any web page without leaving what you're doing. One of the quickest ways to capture something is to right-click on a page and choose Add to Todoist. This instantly creates a task with the page title and link. If you want to save a specific snippet, highlight the text first, then right-click and select Add to Todoist to capture that selection as your task content. It's a great way to remember articles to read, links to revisit, or notes you want to act on later. If you don't see the Todoist icon right away, it's probably tucked into the extensions menu. Click the little puzzle icon near the top right of Chrome to open your extensions list. Find Todoist and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps it visible on the toolbar so it's always just one click away. That's it. Your Todoist extension is installed, accessible, and ready to help you stay organized. Open it from the toolbar, sign in, and start adding tasks from anywhere on the web. Thanks for watching and enjoy a faster, more focused workflow with Todoist in Chrome.